Last night, something really special happened. We had women from all different backgrounds come together with one goal: to understand their bodies a little better. Thank you. Whether you attended live, asked a question, or simply listened quietly, thank you for trusting me with your time. I know an hour is valuable. One thing stood out to me. So many women realized they weren't imagining their symptoms. They weren't alone. And they weren't the only ones trying to connect the dots. That realization matters. My hope wasn't that you would leave with every answer. It was that you would leave with better questions. Questions that help you advocate for yourself. Questions that bring more confidence to your healthcare conversations. If you attended, I'd love to hear your biggest takeaway. If you couldn't make it, don't worry. This is only the beginning. There is so much more to come.